Hey friends, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use suggesting text mode in Google Docs. Now there are two ways how to quickly access this. You can access this from the view menu options at the top. So if you click on that, you have mode and you have the suggesting text. So if you click on that, you'll now be in suggesting text. Now you can also access that from the upper right hand side of the document. You also have it by default in editing, but if you click this drop down here, you will go into suggesting text mode. Right now, I'm going to show you the difference between editing and suggesting text. So with editing, let's say I would like to change this to plan. I can simply go ahead and type in the word plan, but nothing happens, right? Now with the suggesting text or the suggesting mode, what happens is that once you switch this to suggesting, you can simply highlight the text and you can write the changes. So let's say I don't want this to say guide, I just simply highlight it and I simply write the word plan. And as you can see, immediately it strikes through the previous word that was there and make the correction. And on the right hand side as well, you have a little pop-up box that basically shows replace guide with plan. It tells what it should be, and I can write something here in the comment. I can say this needs to change or something like that to plan. Something like that, guys, to plan something like that, and simple click and reply. And here you will see that it adds the comments there, and then I can simple click on accept suggestion, and you will see right here that it automatically changes out everything there and it makes the correction. So this is how you can easily go ahead and work with suggestive text. So if you're working in a document with someone, you can easily go ahead and make these changes. You can just highlight the word and you can go ahead and you can start writing whatever. So I'm going to say this one should be lessons instead of lessons. And I can just simply go ahead and leave it like that. I can write. So should be something like that, and simple click and reply and leave it as that. So what happens is that when I make those suggestions, I can either correct them myself or I can just leave them as a comment with the suggestion there for someone who is going to modify or let's say work on the document. Then once you're finished with the suggestion text, all you have to do is ensure that you switch it off and put it back to editing mode. And you can continue to work on the document as normally by editing it. And that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys, how to use suggesting mode in Google Docs.